Hello, and welcome to the training for the new Health PROTECTORGUARD plans. Health PROTECTORGUARD plans are a supplement to health insurance, and to understand the need for this product, there are three important facts to realize. First, there are no two clients the same, and in this changing health insurance market, you need multiple solutions to meet multiple needs. Health PROTECTORGUARD plans offer a variety of flexible benefits to meet a variety of needs, an ideal addition to your product portfolio. Second, with so much national discussion right now regarding health insurance, it's likely your clients have an increased awareness of just how important it is for them to have health insurance coverage. Many are still unsure what coverage options are available or have concerns about being able to afford insurance to cover medical needs. For those that have health insurance, some of your clients may have selected a high deductible in order to save money on premium. And third, nearly 34 million patients are admitted to the hospital each year. And if your clients needed to stay in the hospital, would their finances be affected? The cost of medical care, especially a hospitalization, can add up quickly. According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, the hospital adjusted expenses per inpatient day is an estimated $2,200. Even with health insurance, when your client has a deductible to meet, it can be challenging to afford a hospital stay. Keeping all of that in mind, you may have clients that feel uncomfortable with their health insurance plan's out-of-pocket amount. They may wonder if an accident should happen or even a serious illness, if they would be able to cover their out-of-pocket expenses without putting a strain on their budget. So, what can you do to help them? You can present to them the Health PROTECTORGUARD plans. These plans may help your clients with their health care budget. For benefit and pricing flexibility, there are 5 plans to choose from. First is Premier Plus, and it's followed by Select Plus, Select Value, Choice Plus, and Choice Value. And here's a closer look at the plan benefits. For a doctor office visit or visit to urgent care, the plans pay $100, and the number of visits per year is either 2 or 5 depending on the plan. For a second surgical opinion, the plans pay either $250 or $500. In addition, there is a rollover benefit for your client's doctor office visits and urgent care visits. Unused office visits or urgent care visits remaining at the end of the calendar year are automatically rolled over to the following year. A maximum of 5 visits are allowed to roll over, and this benefit is designed to add value and can help you boost your client retention. The ability to roll over unused visits is dependent upon your client's effective date with the plan. And please see page 3 of the product brochure for more specific information and rules regarding effective dates. After a 6-month waiting period, your client is eligible for benefits for wellness and preventive care. Depending on the plan selected, your client will receive $100, $200, or $250 for 1 visit per year. Annual physicals, immunizations other than flu shots, mammograms, and blood screenings are eligible for this benefit. Also, you can see some plans pay a benefit of $20 for generic drugs and $40 for name brand drugs. For the plans that pay a benefit for prescription drugs, there is a calendar year maximum of 12 fills. And all of the plans, including those with the pharmacy benefit, offer a prescription drug discount card. This card can be used at most U.S. pharmacies and can offer a savings of up to 50 to 75%. Your client will receive this card in the mail separate from their plan ID card. For outpatient lab and x-ray, the plans pay either $200 or $300 for 1 test per year. For other outpatient diagnostic imaging services, the plans pay $500, $800, or $1,000 for 1 test per year. For oral chemotherapy, the plans pay $1,000 or $2,000 per month for either 3 or 6 months per calendar year. And for outpatient chemotherapy and radiation, the plans pay $1,000 or $2,000 per day for either 40 or 60 days per calendar year. The plans also pay benefits for hospital stays. For inpatient hospital confinement, the plans pay a benefit of $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, or $5,000 per day, and it's important to note this is an unlimited benefit. Also, for inpatient hospital confinement, there is an increasing benefit when it comes to confinement due to injury. You can see the benefit increases by 25% each year, reaching the maximum in year 5. This is based on the plan's effective date, and more information can be found on page 7 of the product brochure. For confinement in the intensive care unit, the plans pay $2,000, $4,000, $6,000, $8,000, or $10,000 per day for a maximum of 31 days per confinement. It's important for your clients to know this amount is paid in addition to the inpatient hospital confinement benefit. For inpatient physician benefits, the plans pay $100 for 1 or 2 visits per day per confinement, and for emergency room visits, the plans pay $200, $300, $400, or $500 per day for up to 2 days per calendar year. And here's a look at the last benefit category, surgical services. The plans pay a benefit for outpatient facility fee of $500 or $1,000 per day for either 2 or 3 days per calendar year. For the surgery itself, the plans pay a different amount based on the type of surgery. Common eligible surgeries are divided into 4 tiers, and the plans pay $10,000 for Tier 1, $5,000 for Tier 2, $1,000 for Tier 3, $500 for Tier 4. And you'll see more information on these surgery tiers in just a moment. Also, if more than one surgery is performed on any given day, the highest tiered amount is paid. Surgeries are unlimited per calendar year, but only one surgeon benefit is paid per day. The plans also pay a benefit for assistant surgeons. For Tier 1 and 2 surgeries, the plans pay 20% of the surgeon benefit per day. And for anesthesiologist services, the plans pay 30% of the surgery benefit per day. More information on the surgery tier levels can be found on page 9 of the product brochure. And as I mentioned, common eligible surgeries are divided into 4 tiers, and here's a general breakdown of those tiers. Tier 1 includes many significant non-diagnostic invasive surgeries. Tier 2 includes many non-diagnostic open surgical procedures. Tier 2 includes surgery for removal of tonsils and adenoids. Tier 3 includes many surgery procedures requiring general anesthesia. Colonoscopies fall into the 3rd tier. And Tier 4 includes many surgical procedures requiring local or regional anesthesia. I know we've covered a lot of plan information in a short time, and you can review the plan details in the product brochure. However, before we go further, there are some benefit examples to share. I think these examples will be helpful in showing you how the plan benefits can really be put to use. For the first example, we'll look at a client with the Choice Plus plan. We'll assume the client required 3 days of hospital confinement, 1 day in the intensive care unit, and 3 inpatient physician benefits. You can see how the benefits build on one another, and the result is a total benefit payment of over $10,000. Again, this is a way your client can cushion against their health insurance plan's out-of-pocket exposure. The second example is for a client with Premier Plus. This client required a visit to the emergency room, an outpatient diagnostic test, and 1 brand name prescription drug. The total benefit payment is over $1,500. And our third example is for an insured with select value. This client required outpatient surgery. This results in the outpatient facility fee, a Tier 2 surgery fee, as well as an assistant surgeon and anesthesiologist fee. The insured would have a total benefit payment of $8,500. Now here are some other important plan details. The Health Protector Guard plans have no deductibles, no lifetime maximums. The plans are medically underwritten. The application has simplified yes or no underwriting questions, and the applications are processed as accept or reject. Your clients can apply for this coverage year-round. There are no enrollment period restrictions, and the coverage is also guaranteed renewable till the age of 65. Your clients will also have the flexibility to choose any physician or hospital in the United States. Health Protector Guard fixed indemnity benefits are paid the same regardless of the provider your clients use. While your customers have the flexibility to choose any provider, the provider discounts available through MultiPlan may help lower your clients' out-of-pocket costs. MultiPlan is one of the country's largest independent provider networks. They have more than 5,000 hospitals, more than 820,000 healthcare professionals nationwide. MultiPlan providers have agreed to offer discounts on covered services. Those are reflected on the insured's final bill. And if an insured's plan benefits are higher than the actual provider charges after any of those multi-plan discounts, the balance will be paid directly to the insured. Also, in order for the multi-plan limited benefit plan network discounts to apply, benefits must be paid directly to the provider. And for a list of available network providers, you and your client can visit multiplan.com/healthprotectorguard. With the Health Protector Guard plans, pre-existing conditions will not be eligible for the first 12 months of the plan. A pre-existing condition is defined as an illness, injury, or condition for which medical advice, diagnosis, care, or treatment was recommended to or received by a covered person within 12 months immediately preceding the effective date of that person's policy. Also defined as an illness, injury, or condition that manifested symptoms which would cause an ordinarily prudent person to seek diagnosis or treatment within the 12 months immediately preceding the effective date of that person's plan. And the Health Protector Guard plans are available in the states you see on this map. Product availability and design vary by state, so be sure to look at the product availability grid on eStore for more details. Plans have also been filed and approved in several other states, so be on the lookout for more states launching soon, growing the footprint of this exciting new product. Of course, the product brochure is an important tool for your clients. For you, the salesperson, we also provide the producer guide. This producer guide is specific to the new Health Protector Guard plans. It provides you with a summary of benefits, as well as height and weight charts. Your client's height and weight play an important role in the underwriting process. You will also find a list of unacceptable medical conditions, as well as more information on the network and the claims handling process. And you'll find those benefit examples I showed earlier. Now, to review what we covered, remember that Health Protector Guard is available as standalone and available to all of your clients age 18 and older. The coverage is renewable till the age of 65. There is simplified medical underwriting with Health Protector Guard, and the plans feature an easy-to-understand plan design. And the quickest way to run the quotes you need right online through the United Healthcare eStore. As you can see, Health Protector Guard might make a great way for you to grow your sales because you're able to meet more of your clients' needs. So don't leave opportunities on the table, and don't leave your clients exposed to potentially draining unreimbursed medical expenses. Think of your clients. How many come to mind right now as potentially needing out-of-pocket protection? Talk to them while everything you saw in this training is fresh in your mind. And of course, if you need help later on, just give us a call at the Broker Service Center at 800-474-4467. On behalf of everyone here at United Healthcare, thank you for your time, and we wish you sales success.